Okay, let's see. Let Advika also join. We'll ask her also what's going on. As I will start with Heron's formula. Okay.
Ma'am, every chapter till triangles is complete except Euclid's geometry.
Okay, fine. Maybe Euclid geometry has been cut out from your syllabus. That's why. Shazan, in your school, Euclid geometry have been taught or not?
Ma'am will teach Euclids.
Ma'am is going to teach.
Yes, ma'am. Now I don't. I think means she just teaches after this lines and angles.
Okay. Okay, now let's see the third topic, that is inequality in a triangle. Now, till now, we have learned about the congruency of triangle, means two triangles are equal, okay? But it's not possible that all the triangles that you see, they are equal only, okay? They must not be, and they may be not equal also. Unequal should be there, unequal triangles also you'll find. But if you see two unequal objects also, then there is a relation between them also, okay? So we are going to study about the relation, or how can you relate two unequal triangles, okay? What type of a relation you can form between two inequalities, okay? Inequality between a triangle, okay? Now, for example, you can see here RS and PQ, they are not equal line segment, okay? RS is smaller than the PQ. So the relation that they're having, that RS is less than PQ. Angle P is less than angle Q, or you can say, sorry, angle P is greater than angle Q, okay? Now, in triangles, let's see what type of a relation that you can see. It is three theorems you will see, and many more theorems, or you can say in your questions, you will find out the relations, okay, when you're proving. So theorem 1, what does the theorem 1 says? So much space is there.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Advika, hello. Advika, what are you, till half yearly, what syllabus is coming in your school?
Ma'am, should I share it? Figure chart.
Okay, let me just open the syllabus section. Then, yeah, your syllabus is here. So I think number system, binomial, till triangles, it is completed, Advika? All the chapters till triangle, they are completed. So what are the chapters in your half yearly, Advika? Can you tell me just quickly? Yeah, your voice is not very clear, Advika.
Hello.
Yeah, Advika. Are you trying to say something, Advika?
Ma'am, we have number system, coordinate geometry, linear equation into variables, introduction to Euclid geometry, lines and angles, triangles, Heron's formula, surface area, volume, and statistic.
So Heron's formula, surface area, and volume and statistic is in your half yearly till there.
Yes. Yes.
So in your final, what chapters are coming? Quadrilateral, area, parallelogram, circles, construction, probability.
We don't have chapters.
These all chapters have been cut out.
Ma'am, we don't have area parallelogram.
Okay, I will check with that. Okay. So next chapter after triangle, I will be starting with Heron's formula. Okay. I think that will be better. Okay. Now let's see here. Okay. Now theorem 1. What does the theorem 1 says? That if two sides of a triangle are unequal, okay, if two sides of a triangle, the same triangle we are saying, and if two sides of the triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger, okay, or greater. Okay, the side which is longer, the angle opposite to that larger side will also be larger. Okay, here you can see AC is larger. Okay, side AC is larger, so the angle opposite to AC, that is angle ABC, or you can say angle B will be larger. Okay, understood what the theorem is trying to say? Now let's see what is given to here. Obviously given is that side AC is greater than side AB. Okay, now what we have to prove? We have to prove that angle ABC is greater than angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Okay, now how we are going to prove? Let's see. Okay, now first of all, we have a triangle. Okay, now triangle is A, B, and C. This is your triangle. Okay, now we are doing some extra construction in this. Okay, we are making a point AD, D. Okay, AD is equal to, we are taking a point D in such a way that AD is equal to AB. This is equal to this. Okay, AB is equal to AD, and we're joining B and D. Okay, understood? Now from construction we can say that AB is equal to AD. Okay, now since both the sides are equal, so we already know that if the sides are equal, then the angle opposite to them are also equal. Okay, angle are also equal. Okay, so AB and AD, so the angles that will be equal will be what? ABD. Okay, ABD is equal to angle ADB. Okay, ADB. Okay, this angle will be equal to this angle since the sides are equal. Okay, this is equal to this, so therefore this angle will be equal to this angle. Okay, but you can see here that angle BDA. Okay, angle BDA. Okay, BDA, this angle, this yellow one, this blue I will mark. Okay, this angle I'm talking about, angle BDA is an exterior angle for the डाउन ट्राइंगल. ये जो आपका नीचे वाला ट्राइंगल है ना, इस ट्राइंगल के लिए ये आपका एक्सटीरियर एंगल हो जाएगा. ठीक है, understood? So angle, if it is an exterior angle, so therefore you can say that angle BDA is greater than angle ACB. This angle. Okay, इस एंगल से ये एंगल बड़ा होगा. कैसे? Because exterior angle है. Everybody, if it is an exterior angle, this angle will be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angles. So it will be equal to the sum of angle C and the part of angle B. Yes, DBC. Okay, but if you are just comparing these angles, so what you can say that angle BDA is greater than angle ACB. Understood or not? This line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, angle BDA is greater than angle ACB. Okay, this you can mark it as first, and this you can mark it as second. Okay, now how we have written this? Everybody know now that BDA is an exterior angle. I'm writing here angle BDA is an exterior angle of triangle BCD. Okay, so therefore आपका ये होगा condition. ठीक है. Now, if you see both the equation from equation first and second, what you will get? You can see in both the equation BDA is there. Okay, BDA. This ADB also you can write that BDA. Okay, so from both the equation, what you will get that angle ABD. Okay, this ABD is greater than angle ACB. Okay, this is equal to this. So instead of BDA, I can replace it with that ABD. Okay, यहाँ पे BDA में लिख देती हूँ ताकि आपको confusion ना हो. Okay, so instead of BDA, we can write ADB. So ABD is greater than ACB from first and second. Okay, now this implies that now if you see here ABD. Okay, this ABD. Okay, this we are talking just about ABD. If you take the whole angle ABC, so ABC will be the greatest. So angle ABC is greater than angle ABD is greater than angle ACB. Okay, so from here we will get that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Okay, hence proved. Everybody got it?
Yes,
Any doubt is there?
no, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So let's see. This is the first theorem. Okay, that the angles that are opposite to the unequal sides, okay, means the side which is longer, the angle opposite to the longer side will also be longer. Okay, now we will see just the converse in this theorem too, that if the angle and the side opposite to the greatest angle will be greatest. Okay, let's see. Okay, in any triangle, the side opposite to the larger or greater angle is longer. Okay, जो side आपकी longer side greatest angle या larger angle के opposite होगी, so that will also be long. Okay, so let's see. Yeah. Now here you can see three cases will arise because we are talking about the what? We are talking about the length of the sides. Okay. So when we are comparing, so three cases will arise. What are the three cases? First case that here your triangle ABC is there, na? So AB is equal to AC. Second case will be what? That AB is greater than AC. And third case can be that AC greater only we can take one. Okay, I'm taking first less and then we will greater. Just a minute. Okay, one will be equal, okay, and the other two will be unequal. So in unequal you can have two possibility, either the side will be less than or it will be greater than. Okay, so we can write that AB is greater than AC, and in third you can write that AB is less than AC. Okay, now let's see. If you're having a triangle ABC. Okay, we are having this triangle. Okay, now in all these three conditions, only one condition can be true. Yes or no? Either the side both
Yes,
sides will be equal, or both the sides will be one will be greater, or one it will be smaller. Okay, only one condition can be true. Okay, now let's see what is given in our question. Given is that here it is written given that angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. ABC angle ACB given ABC now. Okay, angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Okay. Now, since this angle is greater, okay, so this side will be greater. This side should be greater. Okay. Now let's see for first case. Okay. According to the first case, it is given that AC should be equal to AB. Yes, it's given. So if AC is equal to AB, therefore the angle should also be equal. ABC should be equal to angle ACB. Okay. Since angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay. But this contradicts. Okay. This contradicts the given condition. Okay. The given condition is this. Okay. So we can write this contradicts the given condition. Okay. Since this contradicts this given condition, therefore you can say that AC is not equal to AB. Okay. AC will not be equal to AB. Okay. Now let's come to the second condition. What is the second condition? AB is greater than AC, or you can say that AC is less than AB. Okay. AB is greater than AC. Now AB is greater than AC. So that means if AB is greater than AC, this AB is greater than AC. That means angle ACB is greater than, yes, this implies that angle ACB is greater than angle from the first condition, okay, from the first theorem, angle ABC, okay. Therefore, ACB will be greater than ABC, okay. Longer side has the greater angle opposite to it, okay, from the first theorem, okay. So, but this also contradicts what we know. We have that ABC is greater than ACB, and we are getting ACB is greater than ABC. Okay, so this is going. Wait, I've not written wrong now. Yeah. Okay, so this also contradicts. Okay, this also contradicts. What contradicts? That this angle is up greater than ABC is greater than ACB. Therefore, the third case will only be exist. What is the third case? That AB is less than AC. Okay, just a minute. Understood, everybody? All the three cases. Any doubt? Any doubt here? Okay. See, whenever we are comparing something, so there will be three situations, okay? That either it will be equal, it is less than, or it is greater than. Same thing happens when you're comparing two numbers. Either they will be equal or less than, means a positive number or a negative when you're talking about a number, okay? So when we are comparing, so three situations can arise. We have seen all the three situations one by one. For the first situation, that AB is equal to AC. If the sides are equal, so angles will also be equal. So this contradicts the given condition, that because in given it is already said that angle ABC is greater than ACB. Okay. And in second scenario, what we got, that if AB is greater than AC, if AB is greater than AC, that means angle ACB is greater than angle ABC. Means angle C will be greater than angle B. But we already know it is given in the condition that angle B is greater than angle C. So it also contradicts. So we got the third one correct. That is AB is less than AC. Okay. Now comes the third theorem. Now, what does the third theorem says here? The sum of any two sides of a triangle, okay? The sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, okay? You in a triangle, you have three sides, okay? So, three condition will again be here, but all the three condition here will be true. What is said that the sum of two sides of a triangle will be greater than the third side. So, two at a time will be taking AB plus AC. If you're going to add to AB plus AC, so the addition, you can say the sum of AB plus AC will be greater than the third side, that is BC. Similarly, AB plus BC will be greater than AC. BC plus AC will be greater than AB. Okay, I'll show you the proof for one, and for other two cases, the same proof will be exist. Okay, just you have to extend in the another direction. Okay, the construction that I'm going to do here, that you have to do in the other with the other two sides. Okay, now see here, proof side BA. Okay. Produce side. Now, I am going to produce this AB till D, okay, in such a way that AD is equal to AC, okay? AD is equal to AC. So that means this is equal to, this side is equal to this side. So therefore, this angle will be equal to this angle. Yes or no? If sides are equal, the angles will also be equal. You can see here, as angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal, okay? So, from the figure, from the construction, you can say that AC is equal to AD. And therefore, the angles will also be equal. That is, ACD will be equal to ADC. Okay? These two angles will be equal. Okay? From as angle opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. Okay? Now, what we have to prove here, that two sides, the sum of two sides will be greater than the third side. Okay? So, let's see. Now, if these two angles are equal, we have got these two angles are equal. Fine. Now, from figure, if you see, so angle BCA, okay, BCA, okay, this angle BCA plus ACD, okay, this whole ये आपका जो angle C है, if you see angle C, so it is divided into two parts, okay? So both the parts, okay? I'm writing both the parts, okay? We have just compared the C part, okay? The part of angle C that is in triangle ACD, okay? It is equal to the angle D, okay? Now I'm taking the complete angle C, that is angle BCA plus angle ACD will obviously be greater than angle ADC because they both are equal, okay? If they both are equal and I'm adding something on only one side, so that will obviously be greater. If I'm saying that 1 is equal to 2, 1 is equal to 1 and I'm adding 1 plus 1, so obviously this will be greater than this one, yes or no? Or anything if I'm adding. If I'm adding 0.1 also, then also this number will become greater this side, okay, whichever side I'm adding, because it was equal, okay. I'll erase this. Understood? Now we have got this, that angle BCA, the complete angle C I'm taking, both the parts, angle BCA plus angle ACD is greater than angle ACD, okay. Similarly, since ACD is equal to ADC, so both the condition will exist, okay. You can see that BCA plus ACD is greater than ADC also, because both the angles are equal. From this, here you can mark it here. You can mark it as first. So from this first, you can say that these both conditions exist. Okay. Now you can write this as a complete angle BCD. Okay. So angle BCD is greater than ADC and angle BCD is greater than angle BDC. Okay. Understood? From both the angles. Anybody is getting any confusion? This is your first equation. Okay. From this I am comparing. Okay. See. We are comparing the complete angle BCD. So BCD, this angle BCD, this complete angle will be greater than this angle also. Sorry, this angle also, and if I extend here, this angle also. Okay, this complete angle will be greater than both these conditions. Okay, see, it is. I have written these two conditions here. Okay, understood? Now what we got, that BD, since this is greater. So the angle, the side opposite to the greater angle will be greater. So angle, the side opposite to BCD. BCD के opposite आपकी कौन सी side है? Angle BD. Okay. So BD will be greater than BC. Okay. BD will be greater than BC. Understood? So BD can be written as BA or AB plus AD. Okay. So I've written BA plus AD is greater than BC. Okay. And since you already know that AD and AC are equal, so instead of AD, I can write AC. So BA plus AC is greater than BC. Okay. Since AC and AD are equal by construction. Understood? So we have got the condition that AB plus AC is greater than BC. Okay. And similarly, you can prove for the other two sides also. Okay. You just have to do this time. One time you have to do like this. Okay. And the another time you have to extend it from down. Okay. You can extend it here. Okay. Understood? What happened, Arham? Any doubt is here?
No, ma'am.
Shazan, Advika, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. See, just be calm. Okay. And see, I have done a construction in such a way that AC is equal to AD. Okay. So two sides are equal. So their angle, the angles which are opposite to both the sides will also be equal. Okay. See here, I'm drawing the figure here. Okay. I have drawn that this side is equal to this. Okay. So this angle will be equal to this also. Okay. So this complete angle will obviously be greater than this angle also. And this complete angle will greater than this angle also. Okay. And the side opposite to the greater angle will be greater. Okay. So this whole side BD will be greater than BC. Okay. This whole side will be greater than BC. Okay. And since it is greater, and this side can be written as BA plus AD, and AD can be written as AC. Understood now? So AB plus AC is greater than BC. Okay. Any doubt? Anybody now? Okay. Just go through all. Yeah, Shazan?
Sir, no doubts.
Okay, let's go through all the theorems, all the three theorems. Okay, and still, if you face any doubt in any of the theorem, okay, we can check it in the next class, because theorems are very important. Based on the theorems, okay, you are going to prove the question. You are going to solve the other questions. Okay, so theorem should be very clear. Okay, now there's some important results that we have that through the theorems we have got. Okay, not only these theorems, there are many more theorems. Okay, and from those we have got some results. Okay, you should know about the result because they exist. Okay, so they are going to help you out in solving the question. Okay, now every triangle is congruent to itself. Obviously, every triangle will be congruent to itself. a number, any given number is equal to itself. Yeah. In two triangle, if three angles of the one triangle correspondingly equal to the, means if all the three angles of one triangle is equal to the all the three angles of the other triangle correspondingly. Okay, so they are what, they can be they are said to be equiangular. Okay, equiangular, understood? Okay, the difference between any two side of a triangle is less than its third side. Okay, when you're going to take the difference between any two sides of a triangle, it is always going to be less than the third side. Okay, the measurement of third side. Okay, sometime it can ask you a question and it will give you the three sides, the measurement of three sides of your triangle, and ask you, can a triangle be constructed? Only three side measurement is given, and it can ask you that, can the triangle be constructed from this measurement? Okay, from this, or a triangle can be constructed of this measurement of sides. Okay, so at that time you're going to check the conditions. Okay, that the difference of any two side is greater less than the third side or not. Okay, or you can say, we have seen just one theorem before, that the sum of two sides is should be greater than the third side. If the sum of the two side is greater than the third side for all the three sides, okay, shift करके आप दो साइड का लेकर के तीनों साइड का चेक करोगे. Okay, then you can say that, yeah, we can have a triangle of these measurement. Okay, a triangle is an isosceles triangle if and only if it's any two. What happened here? Any two altitudes are equal. Altitudes, everybody know the perpendicular distance. Okay, so if the isosceles triangle this, okay, altitudes will be this. Okay, so only if any two altitudes are equal. If two altitudes are equal, then it is an isosceles triangle. Okay, if the bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle bisect the base. Okay, if the bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle bisect the base, then the triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay, if it is going to bisect the base. The median of an equilateral triangle are equal. I think we have proved this with a question also, that the median of an equilateral triangle are equal. Okay, all the three medians will be equal to one another. If two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the longer side of the greater angle opposite to it. We have seen the theorem 1. Okay, the sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the twice the median drawn to the third side. Okay, this you are going to prove it in questions. Okay, the sum of any two sides of a triangle, okay, is greater than twice the median drawn to the third side. Okay, third side पे जो आप median draw करोगे ना, उसका twice greater होगा. The perimeter of a triangle is greater than the sum of its three medians. Okay, perimeter is greater than the, means you can say that the sum of all the three sides. Okay, perimeter is the sum of all the three sides only. So the sum of all the three sides of a triangle is greater than the sum of the three medians. Okay, the exterior angle of a triangle is greater than either of the opposite interior angle, because the exterior angle is equal to the sum of the two opposite interior angle. So if you are going to compare the exterior angle with any of the one opposite interior angle, so obviously it will be greater. अगर आप सिर्फ एक को लोगे तो उससे greater ही होगा, because it is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. So individually अगर आप एक एक angle को pick करोगे, so it will be greater. Now, if question number 1, just theory question. If A, B, and C are the sides of a triangle, then write any one inequality of a triangle. If ABC is the side of a triangle, then you have to write any inequality of a triangle. Okay. So we have seen with the side, we have seen what an inequality. That A plus B, two sides are greater. The sum of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. So A plus B is greater than C, B plus C is greater than A, or C plus A is greater than B. Okay. Now, is it possible? Now, here you can see a measurement question that I have told you. Is it possible to construct a triangle with length of its side 4 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 7 centimeter? Everybody tell me. Just check this and tell me that is it possible to draw a triangle with this measurement 4, 3, and 7?
No, ma'am.
Why, Arham?
Because the sum of the small size is equal to the sum of the large size.
Yeah, because if you add 4 and 3, then it will be equal to 7, but it should be greater than 7. But we have got equal to 7, so which is not possible. Okay, so very good, Arham and Adrika. Okay, so this is not possible. Okay, these type of question you can get in 1 marks. Okay, that is it possible to construct a triangle or not? Okay, so in triangle PQR, the next question, in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 70 degree, angle R is equal to 30 degree. Which side of this triangle is the longest? Now you have to tell me that which side of this triangle is longest. So obviously we have learned that the side opposite to the longest angle is longest. Yes. So first of all, we already know two angles. So we should find out third angle also. And how can we find out the third angle?
The third angle is 80, ma'am, because using angles of property, it's that 70 plus 30 is 100, so 180 minus minus 100 is equal to 80.
Yes, 70 plus 30 minus 180, because the sum of all the three angles, sum of all the three angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So we have got this angle as 80. We have got this angle as 80. So which side will be the longest? Shazan, can you tell me which side will be the longest?
Ma'am, PR and PQ are same.
PR and QR will be same. How?
Means PR and PQ I said.
Yeah, PR and PQ will be same. How?
Ma'am, it's PR, ma'am, it shouldn't
Yeah,
be the long.
it will be PR.
Oh.
Shazan, but how did you say that PR and PQ is same? Can you tell me just please
Oh,
how
one
it
is
came
80 degree,
to
one is
mind?
30 degree. I didn't see that, sir.
Yeah, what?
Ma'am, I didn't see that one is 80 degree and one is 30 degree. I thought both of them were same.
So what you were doing when you were doing when I was at or when I was so on the
I
screen?
was listening to you only.
Shazan, you keep your camera on always, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So this PR will be, because 80 degree is the greatest angle, so the side opposite to 80 degree will be greatest side also. Okay. So PR will be the longest side, you can say. Okay, longest or the greatest side. Okay. Okay. Now, example number 4. Let's see. Show that the sum of three altitudes of a triangle is less than the sum of the three sides of the triangle. Okay. Now I think we have seen this in some important points also. So let's prove that. How can we prove? We have to show that the sum of three altitudes of a triangle, okay, the perpendicular that is following, okay, that means the sum of AL plus BM plus CN is less than the sum of all the three sides of a triangle. That means is less than AB plus AC plus BC. Okay, so how can we say that? See, if you see only one altitude, okay, see, this is point A and this is a line segment BC. Okay, if you are going to join this A to B, okay, and this is your what? This is your altitude. Okay, okay. So obviously you can see AL will be less than AB. Yes or no? Because this is a perpendicular distance. Okay, altitude और altitude जो होता है सबसे shortest distance होता है उस point से आपका segment की तरफ. Okay, altitude you already know it is the shortest distance. Okay, and so ये AL जो है, this AL will be less than AB, and similarly you can see that AC will be less than, what are all the marks? Okay, so if you will see AN is less than AC, okay, and which one is left? BC. Okay, so BM is less than BC. Okay, you can make it as equation 1, equation 2, and equation 3, and adding equation 1, 2, 3. If you're going to add all the equation, what you're going to get? That AN plus AN plus BM is less than AB plus AC plus BC. Yes or no? Got it? Got it or not? See,
Yes, ma'am.
we know that the perpendicular distance AL drawn from the point A to the line BC is shorter than the line segment AD drawn from the point of O. Okay, because the altitude you can say or perpendicular is the shortest distance. Okay, from that point to the given line segment, and AL is a diagonal distance. It is not the shortest distance. Okay, so the shortest, the maximum, the minimum means सबसे shortest जो होगा वो आपका altitude ही होगा या ये perpendicular distance आपका draw है. ठीक है, so that will be AL. So from all the three sides. Now tell me, everybody try to do this question number 5. I'll enlarge it. Okay, D is a point on side BC. Okay, figure I've shown. Okay, so D is a point on side BC of triangle ABC such that AD is equal to AC. AD is equal to AC. This is equal to AC. Show that AB is greater than AD. Now, how you're going to show that AB is greater than AD? Try to do this. Just tell me that how you're going to do. See, you have to show that AB is greater than AD. So how can you show that AB is greater than AD? Till now, what we have studied from that, how can you show that AB is greater than AD? Which side is the longest side? Or which side? Because if we are comparing two sides, how can we say that the one of the side is greater? By seeing the angles, if you know about the angles, the side opposite to the longer angle will be longer. Yes? Yes or no? Yes. So if we have to prove that AB is greater than AD, so we have to show that angle ADB is greater than angle ABD. Okay, this angle is greater than this angle. We have to show that. Yes or no? Okay, and how can we show that? See, if AD is greater than AC, if AD is greater than AC, so we can say that the angle C will be equal to angle ADC. Okay, this angle will be equal to this angle. Yes, because both the sides are equal. Yes or no? Okay. And if you see the triangle ABD, अगर आप triangle ABD लोगे तो ABD के लिए angle ADC जो है वो exterior angle हो जाएगा. Yes or no? If you take this angle, this part, okay, ABD. So ये angle जो है आपका ये exterior angle हो जाएगा. Okay, ये angle आपका exterior angle हो गया, and the sum and the exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle. Yes, but अभी अगर आपको अभी हमें कुछ वैल्यू नहीं लानी, हमें कंपैरिजन चाहिए, ठीक है. सो इफ यू आर गोइंग टू जस्ट कंपेयर दिस एंगल ADC to angle ABD, so it will be angle ADC will be greater angle. Yes, angle ADC will be the greater angle than angle ABD. Am I correct or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So if,
Yes, ma'am.
and we already know that both the angles are equal. ADC and ACD is all, they both are equal. Okay, so we can say that angle B is less than angle, or you can say angle ACD is greater than angle B. Yes, you can see here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, angle I mentioned here in the triangle ABD. See, ADC is greater than ABD, and ACD is also greater than ABD. Okay, so from both the condition, what we have got that ACB is greater than ABC. Okay, yes. So because
Yes, ma'am.
understood. So from here we have got that AB is greater than AC. Okay, because the side opposite to the greater angle is opposite. Greater. Okay, so AB is equal to AB is greater than AD, because AB and AC are equal. So instead of AC we can write AD also. Okay, and instead of angle ACB we can write ADC also. Okay, the AB is greater than AD. Understood? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody any doubt? So I think
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
yeah, Adrika,
Ma'am, can you go to the previous question, ma'am, at PQ was the longest side?
what you're saying is not clear.
Ma'am,
Can you
there was a
write the
question.
message?
Ma'am, there was a question that we were identifying the longest side. Ma'am, over there, ma'am, PQ was the longest side, and then the measure of the sides was 80, 70, and 30.
Your voice is not very much clear. You're trying to say that the side opposite to the longest side is greater.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is greater. See, from the theorem only we have seen here. See, if two sides of a triangle are unequal, then the angle opposite to the longer side is larger. This one, and this is also your theorem here. If a triangle in a triangle, the side opposite to the larger or greater angle is longer. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So from that only we have proved it.